Welcome, future champions. Today, we're stepping onto the FIFA World Cup stage, where the crowd is cheering and the excitement is building. Before the big match begins, let's stretch, focus, and get our bodies ready like true soccer stars. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Let's kick off our World Cup yoga adventure. The stadium lights are shining bright. Stand tall and proud as the crowd begins to cheer. Today is the World Cup final. The coach is explaining the game plan. Sit low and listen carefully. Every champion prepares before the match. Lift your knee high and control the ball like a professional soccer player dribbling down the field. You sprint past the defenders toward the goal. The crowd gets louder with every step. Stay focused. Watch the ball carefully and keep your balance while planning your next move. Goal you scored. Stretch wide like a superstar, celebrating in front of thousands of cheering fans. The match is over. Take a moment to cool down and thank your teammates for an amazing game. You've won the World Cup. Lie back, relax, and enjoy the celebration as fireworks light up the night sky. You did an amazing job, and I'm proud of you. Let's catch up later in another yoga episode.